Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. If you are new to my channel, please one, subscribe, two, like, share. Don't forget to ring the bell buttons for the next notification. Three, like, leave a comment, subscribe. 4, subscribe. Alright. Our lesson for today is about the measurement of land. So this is already for the second quarter, and this is your teacher, Marife Adonis. The development of measurement, okay, even before the Spaniards came to the Philippines, our forefathers had already used measurements that were mostly derived from parts of the human body. Examples are the dipa, which is the length of the outstretched arms on both sides, the dangkal, which is the distance between the middle finger and the thumb of an outstretched palm, and the hakbang, which is the length of one pace, and the biyas, which is the length of the native bamboo from one node to the succeeding node to the measure the dimension of their houses. Similar measures were also used in Egypt, for example, cubit, the length of the forearm, and the span. Okay, England being the set of commerce long after started what is now known as English system that was based on foot and pound and second. Okay, so because of the variation in both the local and English method, the French proposed an international system based on the meter, kilogram, and second. This was adopted by the 11th General Conference of Weights and Measures. Presidential Decree number 187 prescribed metric or the SI system as a sole standard of weights and measures to be used throughout the Philippines starting January 1975 for all the products, commodities, materials, utilities, services, and all business and legal transactions. So that is still now what we are seeing in our market. Okay. One major advantage, okay, so we're going now to take up the measurement of length. One major advantage of the metric system is that there is a definite relation between succeeding units. Also, the intervals are in multiples of 10. Smaller and bigger units than the meter are obtained by attaching appropriate prefixes. So this is the table of prefixes. So milli means meter, or milli or symbol M, that is 1,000s, that's a factor. Centi is C, that's 100s. DC is D, or 1/10. Deka or daa, or 10. Hecto or H for 100. And kilo for K is 1,000. And mega or M, that is 1 million. Okay. So we have the units of length. Okay, so 10 millimeters or mm is equals to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeters is equals to 1 decimeter or dm. 10 decimeters is equals to 1 meter. 10 meters is equals to 1 decameter or dem. 10 decameters is equals to 1 hectometers or what or hm. And 10 hectometers is equals to 1 kilometers. or kilometer. Larger units of length can be expressed into smaller units or vice versa by utilizing the above table of conversion. Example number one, change 1,500 centimeters to millimeters. So how are we going to do that? So we will use the unit factor, no? So we know that for 10 millimeters, that is equals to 1 centimeter. Okay. Ang batong kamay ko, tumatakbo na naman. Okay, so that's equals to 1 centimeter. Okay, so here we have 1,500 centimeter times 10 millimeters over 1 centimeter. Okay, cancel natin to. So we got 15 times 1 is 15. And then 1, 2, 3. So we just add 3 zeros. And then the unit is in millimeter. Okay, that is correct. Next example number 2. Change 5,000 meters. So this is 5,000 meters to kilometers. Okay, so we know that for 1 kilometer, that is equals to 1,000 meters. Okay, so yeah, that's correct. 1,000 meters is equals to 1 kilometer. So 5,000 meters times, so since ang unit natin, we need to have kilometer, so kilometer over 1,000 meters, no? Okay, M, so then cancelled M, and then cancel O 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So what remain is 5 over 1, or 5 kilometer. Alright, so that's it. Next, we have the English unit of length. Okay, so for the English unit of length, we have 12 inches is equals to 1 foot, 36 inches is equals to 1 yard, 3 feet is equals to 1 yard, 5,280 feet is equals to 1 mile. Okay, galvanized iron roofing is bought in standard length measured in feet. So thus we say I am buying 20 pieces of 7-foot galvanized iron roofing. Okay? Some problems encountered in our daily undertakings sometimes involve conversion from metric to English units in relation to length. So we shall therefore tabulate some common English metric equivalents that are often used in our country. So we have 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeters. For 1 foot, that is 3.38 centimeters. 1 yard is equal to 0.9 meters. And 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. And 1 mile is equals to 1.6 kilometers. Okay. So, for example, to convert 40 inches to centimeter. So, for 40 inches to centimeter, so we know that uh, before we can combine into centimeter, we need to have foot, no? Or we can use the inches unit centimeter. So we know that 1 inch, okay, so 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter. So we have 40 inches is equals to 1 inch. So we need to, so since we need to eliminate the inches, we'll use 2, that is equals to, okay, so let's erase first. Okay, so we have 40 inches times 2.54 centimeter over 1 inch. So cancel natin yung inches. And then we have 40 times 2 is 80, 80.54. Okay, so we have 40 times 2.54. The answer is 101.6 or 0.60 centimeter. Okay, next, change 60 miles to kilometers. So we know that for 1 mile, okay, so 1 mile is equals to 1.6 kilometer. So we will use the unit factor, so 60 miles times, we need 2 kilometers, so 1.6 kilometer over 1 mile. So we need to cancel the mile. Okay. Okay, so that is about 96 kilometers. Okay, so any question? So write most appropriate metric units used in measuring each of the following. So this will be your assignment, no? So this is easy. For example, length of the pencil, so it is centimeter. Okay, so all of this, you can write it in your paper, and then you try to find and express this in measures and also this one. So remember, business opportunities are like buses. There's always another one coming. So from Richard Bonds, for questions and clarifications, just write it at the comment section. Remember, gratitude is the best attitude. Thank you so much. I love you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our content. Big love shout out to all my teams, the Organic Barcadas family, YTC International, Solid family. Thank you so much and all the members of this channel. Love you all.